Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to check your Instagram inbox on mobile. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, to access your inbox, look for the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. This is your direct messaging or DM icon. Here we go. You've landed in your Instagram inbox. This is where you'll find all your direct messages from other users. You can see all your conversations listed here. If you have any unread messages, they'll appear at the top of the list. Tap on any conversation to open it. You can now view the messages exchanged in this conversation. To reply, simply tap on the text box at the bottom, type your message and hit send. It's that easy. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.